Hello, this is Libby Schaefer with the Evanston Host Plant Initiative, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your plant and bee or any species observations to the iNaturalist website. So if you're like me, you've taken hundreds of photos of plants throughout the growing season and just haven't gotten around to uploading them yet, in which case I would recommend using the website. So I went to iNaturalist.org and logged in, and I'm just going to double check to make sure that I am a part of the host plants for the Rusty Patch Bumblebee project. So in this right side, I'm going to click projects. And yes, you can see that I'm a part of the host plants for the Rusty Patch Bumblebee project. If you have not joined yet, there's another video on our YouTube page for how to join. Very quickly, there will be a button that says join in this right box. And you can learn more about that by checking out that other video. So I'm going to go back to the homepage of iNaturalist by clicking this iNaturalist icon in the left-hand side. I could also go to this top bar that's green and says upload, or what I am going to do is click add observations, which is on this right side with the plus. So I click add observations, and then I can either choose files or I can drag and drop some photos or sounds even. So I am pulling over a picture that I'm dropping in. And here it is. It is saying it's loading the metadata. You can see my picture here. It's of wild bergamot or Monarda fistulosa. So it will actually tell you, this is what they suggest. So if you click on species name, they say, we're pretty sure it's in the genus of bee balm and bergamot. And here are our top suggestions, which they're right. I know that it is a wild bergamot, so I'm going to click on that. If you or iNaturalist does not know the species, you can either leave it blank or just take a guess. iNaturalist has an awesome community of people that will help identify and confirm species. So this actually shows when I took the photo, which is very cool. The photo just saves that data. And then it also shows, though it does not show the location. A lot of the times your photo will save the location. I know that this was in Harms Woods in Glenview. So I'm going to click Harms Woods and then say update. In the notes section, this is not totally required, but if you remember to do it, you can just type in the number of plants that you saw in that area. I believe I saw about 4 in this area. And in this left side, I'm going to zoom in just to make sure that you can see it. In this left side, this is where you choose if your location is public, obscured, or private. I'm going to keep it public. If you have already joined the project and trusted us with your coordinates, then you can choose to keep it private or obscured. There's a video for how to do that on YouTube. We can only use observations with accurate coordinates for our mapping project to see where the host plants are located. This was taken in the woods, so it is not captive or cultivated, but if it was in a garden, I would say it was captive or cultivated. And then tags, projects, fields, all of this you can just leave blank. And then in this upper right-hand corner, you'll click submit observation. It will save, just make sure it's fully loaded. And you can do multiple observations at once too. Like I could have dragged over maybe 20 photos and then just gone through all of those at once to make it easier. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, evanstonhostplants@gmail.com. You can also message us and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Evanston Host Plants. And tune into our other videos for how to join the project and how to use the iNaturalist app to take and upload photos of your species observations. Thanks so much.